Hey YouTube, in my last video I did a Yamamoto spec-a exhaust unboxing, so in this one I'll be installing it and doing a sound test. So let's go! Whoa, that was really loose, that bolt. Difference. The stock exhaust I think is 3.9 kilos, and then the new one's about 2.2. I'm gonna get a strong right arm if I keep lifting this. So shiny and new. Super cheap. I saw they had these funky and they had knives on them.
Had what on them?
Knives. It's kind of cool steak knives. Woo! So it's the Yamamoto, or as the Japanese say it, the Yamamoto. Okay, that was really racist, but it's the Yamamoto spec-a SUS down titanium exhaust, a bit of a mouthful. And what I really like about this exhaust, other than it being super lightweight, is these little twisty bits, and it kind of fills up that empty hole at the bottom, which that sounds really disgusting, but yeah, that's why I like it. And I'll start it up in a sec. I'll just zoom around a little bit more just so you can see what it looks like on the bike. Let's listen to the noise sound test. Yay! So I'm really excited about this exhaust. It sounds so good. I can't tell you how good it sounds. You don't even have to put in a baffle or anything, or maybe it has one in there, but I know that some other exhausts can be ridiculously loud and sound like crap, so you got to put in a baffle in there. But this one I don't think you need to. It sounds good as it is. I chucked my helmet on before and tested it out, and it was completely fine with my helmet on. I didn't feel like I had to wear earplugs or anything, so it's enough for the traffic to hear me, which is what I want. And if you like what you see, subscribe, give me a like, send me some comments, tell me what you think I should do next. I do have some mods on the way. I've ordered a whole bunch of stuff and I'm going to be chucking that on pretty soon. And I'll do like a little bit of a vlog review thing. So yeah, thanks for watching guys. Bye.